Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And as promised, we are back with the strategy for September expiry. So, before the actual strategy, it's a disclaimer that you totally understand the risks of trading. And before taking any trades, consider take advice of your financial advisor and trade at your own risk. So, let's begin with the first strategy. Before the strategy, let's consider what happened today, that is on the expiry of August series. Nifty closed almost flat at 16,636. So for the next strategy, September strategy, we will consider 16,600 as the base point. And for 16,600, the call IV is 6.5, which is very low. Low IV currently means that the market is not expecting a huge up move, and we can assume very little volatility on the upside. And the put IV of 14 is generally considered acceptable, and that is considered in a normal range. Anything between 10 to 20 is fine. More than that will be troublesome. So basically for this strategy we have two strategies. One is for moderately aggressive option writers, and the second one is for more conservative ones. So let's begin with the aggressive strategy first. In this strategy we are going to sell 5 strangles. So what do you mean by a strangle? A strangle means you are selling a call and you are selling a put at different strike prices. If the spot price is at 16,000, if you are selling a call at 16,100 and you are selling a put at 15,900, that is considered a strangle. If you sell both the call and the put at the same strike, it is considered a straddle. So currently we are only deploying strangles. Strangle is a hedge strategy because if the underlying starts moving in one direction, the other side will start giving profits. And if the underlying remains in the range, then both the call and the put uh, will be worthless at expiry, and you get to keep all the premium that you've received. So in this strategy, we are going to start with 17,000. 17,000 strike, we are going to sell 2 lots. 17,100 2 lots, 17,200 2 lots, and 17,300 4 lots. And the reason for doubling this lot size is because these are on the extreme end, and these will start losing value rather very quickly. So if we need to make any adjustments, we can make adjustments with these. And on the put side, we will start with 16,000 put, two lots, 15,900 2 lots, 15,800 2 lots, and 15,700 4 lots. The reason being the same for puts as well. So to deploy this strategy, let's first go to this website called opstra.dfinance.com. This is basically a very good website for option strategy building. It has both a free and paid versions. A paid version has lot many features, but for current purposes we will only use the free one. So in this we are going to go to options, strategy builder. We are going to select September 30th expiry. Option chain. And we are going to sell 17,000 call 2 lots, 17,100 call, 2 lots, 17,200 call, 2 lots, and 17,300 4 lots. And to complete this triangle, we are going to do the same on put side. We are going to sell 16,000 strike put, 2 lots. 15,900, 2 lots. 15,800, 2 lots. And 15,700, we will make it 4 lots. So this completes our strategy, and this is what our break-even graph looks like. So we will remain profitable as long as Nifty remains between the range of 15,800 and 17,281. So the completely required capital for this strategy is 9,56,000, approximately 10 lakhs, and the net credit that we are going to receive is 46,000, and this 46,000 is approximately 4.9% of the entire capital. So this is the first strategy, and this is for the more aggressive option writers. For the second strategy, what we are going to do is we are going to incorporate a credit spread, vertical credit spread. What vertical credit spread means is we are selling a deep in the money call, and we are buying another deep in the money call, which is 1 or 2 strikes above the call, above the strike that we sold. For example, if we are selling 16,000 call, we will be buying 16,100 or 16,200 call. The reason for doing this is it gives downside protection. If there is some bad news and the Nifty starts falling very rapidly and it falls below 16,000, this will start giving us profit. But if it remains above 16,100 or so, it will give a very minimal loss. So I have selected 2 lots each for this. We have sold 2 lots of 16,000 call option, and we have bought 2 lots of 16,200 call option. The combined margin required is 55,000. The maximum profit is 17,000, and the maximum loss is 3,000. This is basically a hedge, and this is like just to be a one more step safer, we have incorporated this into the original strategy. I've already saved this strategy here.